It's pretty much the home screen of the wallpaper application. You have a lot of widgets which you can use as well. This is pretty much a wallpaper widgets theme for your Android device application here. So you have a lot of things which you can do. You have the photo editing style here as well. You have a lot of features which you can do here with this application. So all you have to do is pretty much select any one of these photo templates that you would like to use. Let's say, for example, this one here, and select the one that you want to use. Will pretty much take a while. You may see an ads. Just let the ads finish. Once the ads is finished, you pretty much tap on the forward icon at the top here, and then you tap on the X. So here you can see your forward icon, then you tap on the X, and you'll be able to see the widget. As you can see, you can add it to your device. It will pretty much look like a music player for this here. And over here you do have the template, or should I say wallpaper, which you can use for your device as well. These are pretty much live wallpapers. You have DIY live wallpaper here as well, as you can see here, and as well you can create your own live wallpaper. So while I'm getting to the application, you will see a lot of ads, so do keep that in mind. So let me just wait until this is finished here. Stop on the forward icon here, then the X. So as you can see, here are a lot of other wallpapers. You have the charging wallpapers as well. As you can see here, once your phone is charging, it will pretty much show something like this. And as well, you have other wallpapers as well, which you can use. So any one of these wallpapers that you want to use, just tap on the one that you want to use. Some of them, you may need subscription to get access to some of them, but most of these are completely free. All you have to pretty much do is just watch an ad and you get access to these wallpapers. So as you can see here, tap on that here, and all I have to do is tap on apply, and it will pretty much load up this wallpaper here. So that's how easy it is to use this application. You have the theme section, which you can also apply as it relates to your device. You have some other themes. You have the Christmas, which already passed already, but you can still use it if you want. You have the cute section, templates which you can use for your phone. And as well, these templates looks really cool. You have the cowboy template here. It looks really cool, and you have some other templates here which you can use, which turn your phone into something completely different. And all you have to do is just select whichever one you want to use. Let's say, for example, this one here will take a while to download. You will see an ad, and you just tap on the apply button and you're good to go. That's how easy this application is to use. So as it relates to the subscription for this application here, as you can see here, it's pretty much how it looks, and you just tap on the apply theme and you're pretty much good to go. So you can tap on the mine section here, tap on pro section, or become pro member, whatever the case is. Here be able to get the subscription as well, a free 3 days free trial for the subscription. If you watch an ad, you can get a 3 days free trial if you do watch an ad. But as you can see here, your subscription price, you have a yearly subscription for $30 and a weekly subscription for less than $1. So that's really pretty much it, and it pretty much shows you what to be getting as it relates to their subscription. So very good application as it relates to theme and templates for your Android devices, as you can see here. So if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I will see if I can help you. See you in the next one.